Hello YouTube, it's Mermaid Jillian. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've had a pretty hard time lately, and my allergies are acting up. But I don't know how many of you know, but I dropped out of Mermaid Idol, and the reason I dropped out was because about 2 weeks ago, a really good friend of mine was killed in a car accident. And I couldn't handle it at the moment, and so I had to drop out, because there's no way I was going to make the deadline with how I was. So, and I'm still pretty upset about it. But that's also why I haven't uploaded a second episode of Our Secret, which I am working on. And there's going to be new people and everything. Just thought I'd let everybody know why I haven't uploaded anything lately. So, bye.